Happy tomato pie season, y'all! Before par baking, I'm brushing this pie crust with a beaten egg to keep it from getting soggy later. Let's make the topping for our tomato pie. I have 1 cup of Miracle Whip that I've mixed with 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil. Feel free to use mayonnaise and cheddar cheese if you prefer. I've sliced several freshly picked tomatoes and I'm just gonna line them in the bottom of my cooled pie crust. Season the tomatoes liberally with salt and pepper. I'm adding some fresh basil that I just picked from my garden and some green onions straight from the garden. And then I'm going to top everything with some bacon that I fried, nice and crisp. This is to taste. We like a lot of bacon. It's time to spread the topping on the tomato pie, and you want to get it all the way to the edges of the crust. I also have 3 thin slices of tomatoes that I've added to the top of the pie to garnish, and I'm going to season them with salt and pepper as well before this pie goes into a preheated 350-degree oven.